Just take a look at both sides. Look at this side that has been concealed and this other side that has not yet been concealed. Looking at this, you can understand that concealer really takes the look from 0 to 100, right? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Benazet, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you all for stopping by. In this video, I'll be doing an eyebrow tutorial, and this is gonna be perfect for beginners, especially for those who always complain that their eyebrow pencil doesn't come out the way they want. It's always very light. So guys, if you're interested in seeing how I'll be doing this, please give this video a thumbs up and continue to watch the video till the end. I love you guys. First thing, you need to clean your eyebrows area. So that's what I'm doing. You clean and make sure there's no oil around the eyebrows. After cleaning the eyebrows, the next thing to think about is primer, especially a mattified primer that will help control oil around the eyebrows, and that's what I'll be doing right now. I'll be going in with my mattified primer, and this is the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. For people with dry skin, this is not bad for your eyebrows, but if you have dry skin and you want a primer, I would not advise you to use this one all over your face because it might end up making your face feel too dry. After applying your primer, always go in with powder, and if you don't have a primer, that's fine. You can just go in with your powder, and the powder will help prevent your eyebrows from getting oily. This part, you can either use a translucent powder or a compact powder, and for today's video I'll be using a compact powder. This is how it looks like. If you're a beginner, or if you are that person that has never gotten a right pencil or a good pencil that pops out well, yes, we are there, sweetie. There's one thing I've noticed about this particular kind of pencils, like it's been more than 2 years today that I've noticed that this kind of pencil are just so nice. They really come out well, and this is what I'll be talking about. Look at this. Can you see the size? Let me open. Okay, this is a jumbo eye and lip pencil, so you can use on your eyes as well as your lips. And this size of pencil, when you see this jumbo pencil, yes, this is going to be perfect if you want your eyebrows to really stand out or the pencil to come out well. Look for a jumbo pencil, or another name, let me say a big size pencil, and you are going to love it. So it's in the shade dark brown, and that's what I'll be using to outline and fill in my eyebrows. So let's get into it. Always remember to use your spoolie brush to brush your eyebrow hairs in place. So I'll be brushing mine. One thing I love about this pencil is that it comes with a sharpener, so you can sharpen it at any time. And when I want to outline my eyebrows, I always make sure it's sharp. Look at the pencil. Yes. I know for some beginners, they face difficulties in shaping their eyebrows or giving their eyebrows a perfect shape. So if you're a beginner and you don't know how to shape your eyebrows, you don't know where your eyebrows should start and where it should stop, this is what you should do. You start from here. Look up. Yes, here. This is where your eyebrow should start. You connect this through your eyeball, and this is where you should give it an arc, and from the outer corner of your eyes, that's where it should stop. So I'm going to outline and connect them. Can you see how the pencil just come out perfect? Okay, can you see that? I'm going to fill in. I'm going to go back with my spoolie brush and just brush everything together. When I reach the front part, I brush it upward. Yeah, this is how the eyebrows are looking like. I know they are not looking good at all, but that's fine. We're gonna make them look good. So you brush it with the spoolie brush. Now I'm going to conceal the eyebrows to give it that nice shape, and I'll be using this LA Gear Pro concealer, and this one is in the shade Warm Honey. Now I'm blending in the concealer with my buffing brush. So you buff in the excess concealer. You can see this side and this other side. So I'm going to conceal this other part. If you like to see this other eye, you can stay on. I'll be blending this space in between the brows, and when I'm blending, I just blend it inward, as you can see me doing. You can see what I'm doing here. I always blend it that way to give my eyebrows that ombre effect at the beginning. So guys, this is the completed look. This is how the eyebrows looks like after I'm done outlining and concealing them. What have you to say about these eyebrows, guys? You can see that the eyebrow pencil really stands out. If you are that dark skinned baby and you don't know the best kind of pencil or the kind of pencil that will be best for your dark skin, go for this jumbo size eyebrow pencil, and trust me, you are gonna love it. It's gonna pop out well, and look at that. Thank you all for watching. Bye.